Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim the Hamster Kombat daily cipher for today, August 4th, 2024. The Morse code for today is Signer, SIGNER. First thing you do is to click on daily cipher. When you click on daily cipher, get the first letter, which is S. And to get this S, you do 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. For the second letter, which is I, you do 2 dots. To get the G, 1 dash, another dash, and the last dot. Dash, dash, dot. For the N, you do 1 dash and 1 dot. Then for the E, just 1 dot. The last letter, which is R, you do 1 dot, 1 dash and another dot. Dot, dash, dot. You click on take the price here. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on bell notification.